Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup to QNAP using hybrid backup sync step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your QNAP NAS is powered on and connected to your local network. Open your web browser and enter the IP address of your QNAP NAS. Log in using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the App Center on the main menu. Search for Hybrid Backup Sync in the App Center. If not already installed, click the Install button and wait for the installation to complete. After installation, launch Hybrid Backup Sync from the main menu. On the welcome screen, choose to create a new backup job. Select the type of backup you wish to create, such as local backup, remote backup, or cloud backup. For this demonstration, select Local Backup. Next, choose the source folder you want to backup. Click on Select and browse to the desired folder on your NAS. Once selected, click Next to continue. Now, choose the destination where the backup will be stored. Select the target folder on your NAS or an attached external drive. Click Next after selecting your destination. You will now see options for configuring your backup settings. Set the backup schedule by choosing the frequency that best suits your needs. You can opt for daily, weekly, or manually triggered backups. After setting the schedule, click Next. Review the summary of your backup job settings. If everything looks correct, click Apply to finalize the setup. Once applied, the backup job will be created and displayed in the main Hybrid Backup Sync interface. To initiate the backup immediately, locate your newly created job and click on it. Then, click the Run button to start the backup process. Monitor the progress through the interface, ensuring no errors occur. After the backup completes, check the logs for any issues. If successful, your files are now securely backed up on your QNAP NAS. Congratulations on completing your backup using Hybrid Backup Sync. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.